멈춘 시간 속 잠든 너를 찾아가 아무리 막아도 결국 너의 곁인 걸 결국엔 여행을 끝내 이젠 돌아가 너라는 집으로 지금 다시 way back home.
Good morning everyone. So today is my morning routine in LA, and right now I just showered and I'm gonna share with you guys my travel skincare routine because I do this every single morning when I'm traveling, and especially since I've been here in LA. So I've been using BioClarity, and BioClarity is like a monthly skincare system that you can order from them, and you have 3 steps, and you can also order any add-ons, and my add-on that I've been using is their like clay mask, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do them in the order, and I'll share with you guys all the details in a voiceover. So yeah.
I don't wanna fight no more. I know you'd like to. Ready for the roller coaster. The up and down excites you. We are floating like a dream. Time is buried underneath. We glide, collide, it's the same. I'm shaking off what you do.
And today, since I'm wearing makeup and I haven't done my mask in a while, I'm gonna go ahead and use my mask in the morning. I swear every single time I use it, it just makes my skin even softer and clearer every time I use it. My skin texture has been getting really nice. I have a bit of trouble with skin texture like on my forehead and around my jawline, and this stuff really helps. And it also helps with my acne that I have on my forehead because I'm breaking out a little bit from the airplane, and this has tea tree in it, so it really helps with my acne prone skin. I don't break out too often, but I do have oily acne prone skin, like I can break out, so I try my best to, you know, stop that from happening, and this has been my very best friend. So now the mask is dry, and it's actually like so like tight, so I'm gonna have fun not washing this off. I don't use the mask too often, but I would recommend to do it like maybe like once a week because it really does like help deep clean and purify your face. I love it, and it has the ingredient that BioClarity is kind of like known for. They have Floralux in this, and Floralux is their special chlorophyll that just makes your skin glow from within. Now I'm using step 2 in the 3-step skincare routine. This is the acne treatment gel, and I'm just going to apply this to my problem areas. This has been really helping like diminish these without me needing to like pop them. I don't like popping pimples, and using pimple patches is really nice, but they also leave some residue, which I don't like, so I prefer using this treatment gel when I know I'll be taking a lot of pictures. So I'm just applying a nice thin layer on top of all my problem areas. And my 3rd and final step is the Restore, and this is pretty much Floralux, and this is just like a moisturizer, so the very end of my skincare routine here. I've been loving this because it also has this like green color to it, but it turns like clear when you put it onto your skin. So that is my skincare routine, and this is what I've been using. This is what I brought to me to LA. Also, another reason why I brought this was because all of these are travel friendly, and I also love, and my skin loves, that BioClarity uses natural and plant-based ingredients, as well as their ingredient Floralux, which my skin has been like loving. My skin has been so glowy here, and since I have oily acne prone skin, they recommended, or they sent the clear skin routine to me. They have another one that will cater to any more drier skin types, so be sure to check it out down below. I also have a 50% off discount code that I'll put down below and on the screen for you guys to use, and it will give you 50% off your first month of BioClarity. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup, something like that. Oh, and I also love to top off any part of my skincare routine with the Mario Badescu facial spray. You guys know that I love this stuff, so. But I don't know where I'm gonna do my makeup today. turn my camera. Let's get started. Oh, and guys, be sure to watch my LA vlog because I've been vlogging this whole entire time that I've been here. And I also show a little bit of a haul that I did in like a whole day of shopping because I didn't vlog, but I will be showing a haul. So yeah, that's where all these products from Glossier came from. But this makeup routine is just going to be, this little makeup session is just going to be a little time lapse. So be sure to watch my vlogs. I will link it right here, somewhere up here, and go check it out. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup now.
I don't wanna fight no more. I know you'd like to. Ready for the roller coaster. The up and down excites you.
So I just finished doing my makeup. My camera died, so I had to charge it, but I did my makeup and I put on my outfit per usual. And today, I'm wearing a dress. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the outfit. It's a cute little mini dress from Forever 21. Cute. And I'm wearing white tennis shoes. I'm wearing these really cute circle earrings that I wore to KCON. But yeah, let's go get some breakfast.
I can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, open that you don't run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm misdiagnosed. Cause I'm a stalker, I seen all of your posts. And I'm just tryna play it cool now. But that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not tryna be with you now, you know.